guys, I know it's late, but Happy New Year! So I basically wanted to do a series of old makeup looks I did back when I was younger, maybe over 8 years ago. And I want to give you guys just a little makeup backstory before we begin. So pretty much my whole life up until I was 18, I was a tomboy. And one of my old friends, she was also 18, and she's like, hey Sasha, have you heard of makeup? And I was like, yeah. And she's like, well, I've been trying it, you should try it too. And I was like, no, I'm good. And she kept pushing me and pushing me and pushing me. And I was like, okay, if it'll get you to shut up, I will try on some makeup. So I went onto eBay and typed in eyeshadows and found the 120 palette. And I had about a good 4 months of playing with makeup. And then I joined the military and bam, back to being a tomboy. So since then, I never got back into makeup. After the military, I was just wearing eyeliner and maybe some brown shadow, but that was about it. So I want to go back to experimenting with makeup, and I'm gonna start with this look. So I'm gonna try to use this palette as much as I can in this series. Of course, today I didn't use this palette, but I promise I'll try to use this palette. So like I said, I just want to recreate my old looks and see if I can do them better now. Let's go. Okay, so this was the first look I did. I remember I got the 120 palette in the mail. I ran upstairs to my room and locked the door and just threw this color all over my eyes. I love blue, especially cobalt blue. I think it looks really pretty with brown hair and brown eyes, so that's probably why I chose that color. So today I'm going to try to recreate the look, tone it down, and make sure I don't look like I work on a street corner. So I'm gonna grab the Masquerade Mini by Juvia's Place, and I'm gonna grab the shade Dahlia with a big fluffy brush and use that as my first transition color. Oh my gosh, this palette. So as you can see, I don't have a lot of makeup palettes. It's pretty hard to sell me on them, or to at least convince me to buy them. I watch tons of makeup videos and makeup tutorials, but there's never one that just makes me want to buy an eyeshadow palette. I'm very picky with eyeshadow palettes. I've heard of Juvia's Place, but I never really looked into them. And during the holiday season, an ad popped up on Instagram saying they were having everything 50% off. And I was like, okay, 50% off, that's not bad. So I went on their site, and I was like, holy crap, this is the most unique, colorful, pretty designs I've ever seen for a makeup brand. So I was scrolling, I was like, okay, not bad. And then I hit the Masquerade palette, and I was like, okay, just the packaging alone sold me. So I clicked on the link, I was like, okay, please be really pretty colors because I really want to buy it. And I looked at the colors and I was like, holy crap, I'm gonna buy this palette. If I was a makeup palette, or if I designed my own makeup palette, it would be this. Just looking at it makes me happy, and then opening the inside just makes me giggle. I've never felt that way about, I don't think, any makeup. It just looks so beautiful. It's gonna be a while before I find another palette to top that, but as of right now, that's my favorite palette. It has all these colorful, beautiful colors at the top. Here, I'll just show you. And then it has perfect, like, everyday neutral colors. Like, how pretty is that palette? The only other palettes like I would want to try is probably like the Prism palette, or maybe even the Jaclyn Hill palette, but one of my friends has the Jaclyn Hill palette, so I might just steal it from her. And below that, I'm going to grab a slightly denser crease brush, and I'm going to go with Chi. This beautiful color right here. And just put that below the first color. As a base, I'm going to be using Inglot's Gel Liner in number 77. If you don't have a gel liner, you could use NYX's Jumbo Pencil. You could use it in Black Bean, just any black kind of eyeliner, or you could use Cobalt. This is dark blue. And first I'm just going to draw a little liner right here, like I did right there. And with the concealer brush, I'm just going to fill in the rest of my eyelid with the black liner. The glitter glue, I'm going to be using Lit Cosmetics Glitter Base. The past 3 times I used the glitter glue from Too Faced in my old videos, I ended up getting a sty. I had no idea what the hell a sty was until the last month, and now I keep getting them. But I'm pretty sure, I can't really blame this altogether. It's probably because I've had this for over 6 years, so I really don't need it anymore. I do feel like it's a little complicated to get on because you kind of have to like stick your brush in there. You're just gonna pat that over the black. And I'm gonna be using OCC's glitter in Technopagan. And for the brow bone highlight, I'm gonna go in with Giza. Okay, so I'm gonna do my face makeup and I'll be right back. So now I'm gonna go in with a NYX black eyeliner and just put that on my waterline. And then I'm gonna grab a pencil brush and I'm gonna be mixing both Chi and Dahlia. So Chi and Dahlia. Okay, I think I'm all set. I don't even know if I should tell you what lipstick shade I'm wearing because it's the only nude I have. But again, it's Dose of Colors, no shade. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I want to put out more, but hopefully I don't keep getting styes. I know, TMI, but hopefully I don't. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye. I look like a drag queen. Don't I? I feel like I look like a drag queen. What should my drag queen name be? This like one eye is bigger than this one, so you can see all the pretty shadow here, and then here it's like, yeah.